We're going to talk about what is ecology. Ecology is the study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. Now, in this part of the lesson, we will be talking about the specific groups in the world. For example, species is a group of similar organisms that can breed and produce fertile offspring. And then we have a population, which is a group of individuals that belong to the same species. After this one, we have an assemblage of different populations that is called a community. Then we have all the organisms that live in a place together with their physical environment, and this is known as a community. Next, we have a biome that is actually a group of ecosystems. And finally, we have that our entire planet with all these organisms and physical environments is known as the biosphere. Next, we have biotic and abiotic factors. An abiotic factor is any living part of the environment with which an organism might interact, including animals, plants, mushrooms, etc. Basically, everything that has life. Now, an abiotic factor is any non-living part of the environment, such as sunlight, heat, precipitation, humidity, wind or water current, soil type, etc., whatever that has no life. These both factors are dynamic, which means that they constantly affect each other. Now, ecological methods. Modern ecologists use three methods in their work. First is observation, which is the first step in asking ecological questions. Next, we have experimentation, which with this one the hypothesis can be tested. And finally, we have the modeling, that many ecological events such as effects of global warming on ecosystems occur over such long periods of time that they are difficult to study directly. Next, we have energy producers and consumers. Only algae, certain bacteria, and plants can capture energy from sunlight or chemicals and convert it into forms that living cells can use. These organisms are called autotrophs. Autotrophs store energy in forms that make it available to other organisms that eat them. That's why autotrophs are also called primary producers, which are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by other organisms. They are essential to the flow of energy through the biosphere.